What are you looking at, Anvika?
That.
That one.
And I'm trying to touch it. Open.
Okay,
Oh, no.
it's a Caesar. You need to be bit away. Oh, yeah. So, whenever you cut something, whenever you use scissors,
Yeah.
you always do under the supervision of
Yeah.
adults. Otherwise, you will cut your
Finger.
fingers. Tell to the kids, other kids, don't use scissors alone.
Don't use scissors alone. Or you hand it touch like me, like this.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Yeah. What happened?
I got hit with the scissors.
You got hurt with the scissors?
Yes.
Okay.
That's why I'm doing it with
Oh,
my hand.
scissors hurt you as well. Where?
Nowhere.
There.
Nowhere.
Okay. Look here, Armika. It got hurt you. Okay. That's enough, I guess, Ayansh.
I think I'll just touch this one a little bit.
Okay. Can I help you?
Yeah.
I think you can actually pull it out. Wait. There you go.
Oh. I think I can. Oh. Oh. I think
Yeah, it's coming out. It's coming out. Pull it up. Pull it out. It's okay. Don't need to cut. No need to cut. Just hold this one like this. Yeah, that's
I
it.
can hold it.
Yeah. Pull it. Yeah. Yeah. Almost there. Oh, that's the battery. We need to actually maybe disconnect, but that's okay. Ta-da! Wait. No, 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 no.
Still turn on.
Still turning on. So, what you need to do?
Also use this too.
Okay. Read the instructions. Can you show the instructions to everyone?
This way.
Okay.
If you press this down button here, the light will not turn on for this.
Okay.
If you press this tiny button right here, the light won't turn on.
Okay.
And it's got another two tricks like this, and
Okay.
this, and this, and this, and this.
What are you looking at, Anvika?
He's looking at this. At the same
Oh.
paper, though it's a bit different.
Okay. Where is your pint, Anvika? Gone?
He doesn't have it.
Okay.
He just